Now let's deep dive into the quality gates. So what is a quality gate? We know what's a quality gate, but what's the main purpose of quality gate and how can we get more benefit out of it? So a quality gates enforce a quality policy in our organization by answering one question. The first question, is my project ready for a release? To answer this question, you define a set of conditions against which projects are measured. For example, no new blocker issues. So code coverage on new code greater than 80%. So these are the rules we will set up to answer that question. Is my project ready for release? So let's see the definition of quality gates. Let me get into that. Let me show that quality gate permission also, but before that let me show this. Yeah, here is the quality gates, and this is the default quality gate, and this is the quality gate that I have created. So that's the built-in quality gate, and this is the quality gate that I have created. So these are the conditions which are part of that. So this quality gate consists of a defined conditions. Ideally, all projects will use the same quality gate, but that's not always practical. For instance, you may find that technological implementation differs from one application to another. uh, Example, you might not require the same code coverage on new code for web or Java applications. That's one example. You want to ensure stronger requirements on some of your applications. So which is why you can define as many quality gates as you need. So you can access the quality gates basically from this item of the main menu. So let me click on create so that we can create a one more quality gate, and this I'm gonna say quality gate 1. Click on save. So by default, so these are the conditions it got. So let me, you can set as default from here. Yes, now quality gate 1 is set as default, and this consists of these conditions, and all these conditions on new code only. Okay, so quality gate permissions. Now let's see the quality gate permissions. By default, only users with a global administer quality gates permission can edit quality gates. So to set this one, to change that permissions, we have to get into the administration, click on this, then you have to get into the security item of the administration. Inside that you should find a global permissions. Yes, here it is. Now SonarQube also allows user with global administer quality gates permission to give an expert or group of experts permissions to manage a specific quality gate. So here you can see that Sonar administrators and the administer quality gates as well as the quality profiles. And here is the execute analysis and then create project. Now you can give an access administer quality gates access to certain experts also. Okay, so these experts only have permission for the quality gate, not all quality gates. So whichever quality gate you give permission, so for that only they can have. You can see that Sonar users, this is Sonar users, that's Sonar administrators. Every authenticated user automatically belongs to this group, can use these quality gates and then quality profiles, or anyone. This was the previous one, now it got deprecated. Anybody who browses the application belongs to this group. If authentication is not enforced, assigned permissions also apply. So this is deprecated. Because of this we used to face a lot of issues. Now it's deprecated. That's fantastic. So only gate status, the current status is displayed prominently at the top of the project space, you can see that here you can see the status of the quality gate, and then you'll get the notification of the quality gate through the if quality gate fails, you're gonna receive the notification. So how to define a quality gate? That's the next question. To define a quality gate, each quality gate consists of a set of conditions, and each condition, each condition, you can see the condition here. So each condition is a combination of a measure, first one, a comparison operator, you can see that it's a metric, the first one is a metric, it's a measure, and then a comparison operator and an error value. You raise that, an error value. So this is a quality gate condition is made up of. A quality gate condition is made up of three parameters: a metric, an operator, a comparison operator, and a value. So for instance, a condition might be a measure blocker. So let me come here and I'm going to create a new condition. If you want to add a new condition, or you can edit the condition here, so whatever the way, or you just click on unlock editing, it will be open. So grant here, from there we have talked about the permissions right before. So permissions, users with the global administer quality gate permission, and those listed below can manage the quality gate, specifically this quality gate. So from here you can access the permissions, and here you have to either administrators admin or sonar administrators or sonar users, whichever it may be. Okay, so let's create one more quality gate. So I'd say quality gate 1, wait, quality gate, or let me say the simple one, QG2. So let me save this, and you got it, the new quality gate, that's QG2. So unlock editing, and here you can find out the add condition. So now, do you want to add condition only to new code or on overall code? I'll go with the new code one. So the first example we want to look is measure blocker issue. These are the measures. So I'll go with the blocker issue. So I have to find out the blocker issue. Let me search the metrics or measures. So blocker issue. You see that these are the blocker issues. Now after that you got the comparison operator, that's is greater than. So I'll go with a 0 value. So then only, so add condition. Okay, so one condition has been added, that's a blocker issues. You see that it's greater than 0. So next I'm going to add one more condition now. So let me, but this time it's on overall code. So overall code, what I'm going to do is let me scroll down, skipped unit tests, skipped. So if it skips at 2 unit tests, that's it, you break the flow. And here you should see conditions on overall code, the skipped unit tests, that's the measure, and operator is greater than, that's a comparison operator, and values too. So that's what a condition is, and the set of conditions is nothing but a quality gate. Okay.